Hello, everyone. My name is Mike Matthews. I'm a recent alumnus of the Energy Policy and Climate program at Johns Hopkins University, and my lightning talk is titled American Windfall, the Community Benefits Potential of the Impending U.S. Offshore Wind Boom. Jumping right in here, this is the current U.S. East Coast offshore wind pipeline, spanning all the way from Massachusetts down to North Carolina currently. We're going to add Maine and some others hopefully very soon. This currently represents 2,500 megawatts. This is part of a massive $1 trillion global supply chain capital expenditure opportunity. What that means is there is a lot of opportunity to set up along the East Coast where these projects are going to be manufacturing facilities, workforce training facilities, and the like. Our first case study is, of course, New York, the offshore wind empire here in the U.S. On the right-hand side, you will see a map of two of the more prominent projects going up right now. We also have the South Fork Wind Farm, but you will see also that map location of ports and substations. You'll note Port Jefferson there on the Long Island Sound. Ørsted has committed to a operations and maintenance facility. You'll see the Arthur Kill Terminal over to the west in New York City, where they're building up some port facilities there as well. A final thing here, the South Fork Wind Farm on the left-hand side, you'll see a tweet from them talking about the massive $29 million investment into the community that they are making. Back to my new home state here, the Constitution State. Even though they do not have an ocean from which they're able to construct wind turbines, they do have neighbors, Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and so they have massive offshore wind commitments as well. This is a prime example of what can be done with local content and building out communities along with offshore wind development. This is the current, on the right-hand side, the current appearance of the State Pier at New London. And of course, here is news about the Port Authority approving a plan to make it look like this in the future. And of course, this will be the State Pier facility, part of a massive port project for the development of offshore wind. Could be down south into New Jersey and New York, and it certainly will be to service the impending offshore wind boom that will happen off of Rhode Island and Massachusetts and points north. So these are two examples of this lightning talk. Don't have a lot of time. Two examples of really how communities both expected like New York and unexpected like Connecticut can cash in on this large-scale industry. Thank you very much for listening.